And so it began. These four desperate amigos were setting out in search of their missing brethren, the big pizza man who'd been abducted by the evil Mad Macca Jericho and his GB posse of hardened criminals, including Doc Danny and his sidekick, Monica Hard as Nails Cantwell. Let's see what happened as our four rode off in search of higher ground and a chance to swoop down and rescue the befuddled pizza.
Hello. So Evad on his Royal Enfield Bullet Classic trials. Evadrone's on his KTM 690 Duke. I need to adjust my mirrors. Stuart behind.
As we left, we had to keep an eye out for the bandits of Parr and St Blasey, who would no sooner steal your eyeballs and take your pasty money than say hello, partner. Yes, this is dangerous country, but we rode on through faster and faster until we came to the low-lying place that is Lostwithiel, a place where the old-timers used to mine tin and sell it to the Injuns to make bullets with. Soon after we left Lostwithiel, we came to the wide open spaces of mid-Cornwall where the roads beckoned, but our leader Evad nearly bought one for the team as he attempted an overtaking manoeuvre, only to pull in at the last minute. Phew, that was a near one. We then pushed on through to the ancient town of Lisgard Miansums, a place where they sell great fish and play good music. But we went on past all the way, heading towards Callington. The best way to help this channel is by subscribing and by hitting the like button. If you're feeling really generous, you can be a member. We rode on through the beautiful country that is Cornwall, but with our eyes looking all about us, because we were heading down towards the River Linner in a deep valley which we knew could be an ambush point where people from Devon might be waiting to make us eat cream teas the wrong way round. Jam first, forever. We made it safely through, but a bigger challenge was awaiting us just up the hill. The place of the evil empire, that is run by those despots, the Samworth brothers, known as Ginsters. No challenge greater has ever been attempted by 4 desperate cowboys. Will we make it? Will we be killed by a pasty in the head? Or we get to Louis' tea rooms at Kitt Hill. Keep watching for more. Minions of the evil Samworth brothers had set traps for us on these roundabouts, with diesel oil spread copiously across. But we were alert to this danger, and we skirted it safely, frustrating their plan to destroy our mission. So finally, we approached our destination, the majestic outpost known as Kitt Hill, with that oasis of refreshment known as Louis' Tea Rooms, where we would stop and enjoy a hot lunch, chat, and would we ever find Big Pizza? Do we give a monkeys? Of course we don't. He buggered off with Mad Macca and his crew, with a Super Mario tied to his bars. What a nutcase. Finally, I headed out back home alone, having completed the mission. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little comic take on a ride out in the Wild SouthWest Rally. See you again in 2026. What a bunch of guys. What a ride, what a day, what a rally.